Well, hello guys, I'm Khalid from Cade, and this is another AutoCAD tutorial. Well, this is something I just learned recently, and I don't think I have seen it anywhere, but it is very quick, it is very simple. Basically, if you wanted to go to the help, instead of pressing F1, what's up with my mouse? Instead of pressing F1 and opening the help, if you just put in question mark and enter, it comes out. So as I will say again, instead of pressing F1 for help to come out, you could just type question mark and it will come. And that is a very quick video, a very quick tutorial. Anyways, if you need any help, or if you have any questions, of course, or you have anything to teach me, since nobody knows everything, please don't hesitate to contact me. Share this, subscribe, and so you can see my latest videos, because I talk about anything and everything to do with architecture and interior design. Until next time, peace.